Hello ladies and gentlemen, Splash here. Welcome to an all new video. Today's video is a video. It's a video. Today's video we are going to be reviewing the PV510 Plus lavalier microphone. Professional lavalier microphone with a PoP voice filter on it. And this is on Amazon, and I believe it's around $13. It may be less. It may be around $10, something like that. I'll put the price on the screen right now if you guys want to see or compare. So I just want to mention this is just a part of the review. I don't like this isn't really a part of the actual review, but I just want to mention it because it is something to put note. Whenever it delivered looking like this in one of my bags. Now this was shipped with two things. This was shipped with two of these mics, so I got two of them. It was shipped with two, and it was shipped with a mic arm, which I'm going to review in the next video. But yeah, this was shipped and it looked like this. It looked like this. I did not open it. This is how it looked. So yeah, this is the one I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it because I don't have much time for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it for you guys. Alright, so first off, you open it and there is a nice pouch. It's got a little PoP voice on it. Very nice. It comes with a nice pouch. Pretty cool. You could put this anywhere. You could put this in your camera case with your camera so that you're ready to film at any time. You could put this in your backpack or in your purse or wherever you're wanting to put it with all your other equipment. It's very easy, very simple to put somewhere. So anyway, you open it up and it comes with the lav itself. So here's the lav with the mic clip already on. The other one had the mic clip off. So there you go. As you can see, there's the lav itself. If you guys just want to see, there's the lav itself. Pretty long cord. So if you want it to be a long distance or going down your shirt into a recorder, then it's pretty good. It'll go the distance. So that's for sure. So it has the lav itself. It has little instruction pamphlet. As you can see, there's a little instruction pamphlet. I don't know if that's the English side. There's a difference. Yeah, this is the English side. Actually, no, they're both English. Huh? Oh, these are different sides. Okay, so yeah, there's your instructions and stuff on how to do it. But we all know how labs work, right? We all know how labs work. All right. So if for some reason this device doesn't work for you, it also comes with a so if you have a special thing like a camera or something, like a camera, if you're gonna plug this straight into a camera, I believe, as you can see, it has like 3 little black lines on it there. Now you may need the 2 lines, and that's what this is for. So what you would do if that was the case, you would plug this end into here, and you would plug this end into your camera. And it also comes with 2 PoP mic filters. So that's pretty nice. So the moment you've been waiting for in this video, and I know this video has been really short, but I want to go ahead and get this review done because I want to go ahead and try it out and use it in a skit that I'm planning on later. But right now, I already got this set up, already got this ready to go. So first off, I'm gonna just go ahead and start recording now. Okay, and I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it. See, this part, this is what I don't understand. This one's like, I don't know if it's broke necessarily, but this one falls off easily. I think I could fix that with something like tape or something, but that's just something to take a note. This one was not connected to this. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but it has these little three little pins on the inside of it there, and this has 3 little pins that you put it in, and you just slap it in, which it falls off really easily, I've noticed. So I don't know if it's just this one, because this one was already on. No, it looks like that's supposed to stay on there, but as you can see, this one already has the little clip on. As you can see, the wire's in the way. As you can see, the clip's already on there. This one comes off. The little shirt clip. It comes off very easily too. So I don't know what that's about. But this is easily fixed. I mean, this is like a cheaper lav. It's not as cheap as the other ones I got. The other ones I got was like $2. Do not get those ones. I don't know the brand right now. I think it was taken off at Amazon because it was bad. But yeah, let me try to put it on. Let me try to put it on without it falling apart. And again, I think this is just this one and this one like broken shipping or something. But yeah. Okay, there we go. It looks like it's staying on. So I am recording right now. You are hearing the audio that is coming from this. You are hearing the audio currently that is coming from this mic. Let me know how it sounds. It sounds pretty good to me, honestly. Out of a lav mic, this is what I would consider above standard, so it's pretty good. I like it for its price range, which here's its price right here. If you guys want to go and pick it up, it's on Amazon. And yeah, I'm gonna give it about, I'd say 4 out of 5 stars. So yep, this is my review on the new, or this isn't new, I don't know how new this is, but this is my review on the Pop Voice PV510 Plus lavalier mic. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. Stay tuned for another review, and yeah, see you in the next one. Just one more note that I want to mention. This mic is very sensitive, so if there's wind conditions and stuff, then it may kind of condense it, although you may be able to hear it better than if you was to use your camera mic, which this is way better than using a camera mic. No, this is not the audio that is currently being recorded. It's being recorded on this, which is my snowball, which is going to be in the next video. But yeah, that's just something to note whenever you're buying this. This mic is very sensitive, so it's very sensitive to like loud sounds and everything. So I'm just letting you know there. And another thing is what it would be good for. It would be really good for like interviews and like one-on-one things. Like you could probably hide this mic under your shirt or something like that, like where people wouldn't see it in a frame of a short film or something. But yeah, it's pretty good. I really enjoy it. It's actually really good for what it is, and for its price. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. You guys can continue with the outro. Bye-bye.
I'm the best rapper that you never heard the other side saying that's just absurd. But I say to him I'm gonna make it, and if not, well, I'm good at faking. Every single second of my eternal existence, there's no resistance.